Hello Python programmers. So this is not a project video. I'm not going to create any project in this video, but if you're a Python programmer and face problem while installing or importing any external package, then this video is there for you. So first of all, let me solve the problem that beginners face, that is pip is not recognized. So just open this PC, and on this PC symbol here, left click here, go to properties and advanced system setting. Then you need to go to environment variable. Just look at that path. Let me show you the path once again. You need to go to this PC, left click over here, go to properties, then go to advanced system setting, then go to environment variable, and in this select the path here, not the OS, the path here. Click on edit and you have to add. Okay, so now let me show you what path you have to define. Go to this PC, you will see Python 3.6 here, and select scripts and just copy paste the path. There you can see that this is the path here. See, Python 3.6 and scripts. Just copy this path, get here, click on new, then paste the link here and then press OK. So this will solve your pip not recognized problem. Now if you are having pip installing any external package like pygame, pandas, and any error pops out, let me show you that how you can pip install any external package. So just go to the browser and go to this website. I'll provide the link below, and search for the package that you want to install, and you will find all external packages of Python here. There are like all external packages that you can install. Let's say that I want to install one package. Let's say I install the coverage. Okay, select the Windows version, select the Python version that you are using. I'm using 3.6, so I'll download the CP36 for Windows 64-bit, and this will download a wheel which you can go. Let me show you that how you can install. Let me click on show in the folder, and this is the wheel here. Press shift plus mouse right click over here, shift plus mouse right click, then open partial window here. We have installed the pip error, so pip will be recognized now. Just write pip install and select the name. Just copy this name and paste it here and press enter. Now you don't need internet now. You only need internet when you were downloading this wheel. So the installing package is going on. There you can see it's processing and installing collected package. Okay, it's done. So this is the simplest method that you can use. This is the website where you will find all the updated package of Python. There are all, and you can simply search from here. Like click on this find, and just like I want to find NumPy, so just press enter and there you can see NumPy. Click on this and there you can see that these are the NumPy packages that you can install. Just click on the latest version and you're good to go. So this is it for this video, and this was how to install packages. Now if you want to have some fun with the packages and create some awesome projects, then this is what my channel is all about. Just go to my channel and just create some awesome projects, and I'll meet you there. Bye bye.